Tuesday and Merry Christmas to you. Guys, I have not gone live by myself in a long time. I have had a wonderful time going live with so many different people, so many different businesses in the community. So it's been amazing. So now I am back to more just me videos for a little while. And I'm really excited because today I'm wearing my ugly sweater. But like one of you guys commented and said you wish it was like a pretty sweater, because it's true. Like so many of the ugly sweaters that are being made now are super cute, and although they're supposed to be tacky, they're really, really adorable. So that is what this cake is going to kind of represent. It's going to be really cute. So I'm excited, guys. Okay, so I want to just tell you here what I have going on. This cake here is a naked cake, so it's already been frosted and it's set, so it's firm to the touch here. And I am going to make it red. So you guys saw the ugly Christmas sweater that I posted yesterday is red, so I think I'm going to make mine red too. So I have a huge bowl of buttercream over here, and I am going to do a lot of mixing on camera today, just my different colors and stuff. So here I have my red and the gel, guys. If you guys use different kinds of Wilton gels or food colorings, this is my favorite one. Okay, this is from Hobby Lobby, and it's a nice bright red color. It's going to give us exactly what we're looking for here, guys. So everybody, tell me what's up. Are you guys, have you all decorated for Christmas? Are your houses like super festive and everything? Or do you still have, I think we still have pumpkins outside of our front door. It's the funniest thing. So we have pumpkins outside and it's Christmas inside. But I didn't even decorate for fall, really. It's funny. These days, it's just kind of whatever gets you through, and some people don't decorate, but you know what? I think that's the best, when you can actually enjoy every season. So that is what I plan to do. A lot of times I'm just enjoying it while I am decorating cakes. So, and this is really fun, because if you guys see how to do this today, then you guys can go to your different parties and you can bring this cake, and everybody is going to think you are the cake boss, okay? So it's definitely going to impress all of your friends. I'm so excited, everybody who's watching. I wish I could see everybody who is watching. I wish I could see you, but I can't. I try to multitask, but I'm not very good. Okay, so I am going around here with this red food colored beautiful bright buttercream here, and I am going to use my offset spatula, and I'm just going to go around the cake like this and cover. I am going to use my bench scraper and make it nice and smooth all around the side. Okay, so here we go. And guys, it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? We're just trying to make it smooth, but if you have a little bit of some little imperfections, that's totally fine, guys. I'm going to tell you what, it's really, really awesome when you can just use other little things to cover up any mistakes that you might make when you're decorating a cake. It's so nice, because you know, it's like there's not all that pressure of making sure that your cake looks perfect. There's always a way around it, which is fun. And you could do that with wedding cakes or anything, you know, just add some flowers or something. You know, if you're just beginning and it's really challenging for you, you can totally do that. So now I'm just taking this scraper here and just going along the top, Just trying to pull all this buttercream in. And there we go. Pretty smooth. I'm not too concerned about it. I think it's going to be great. And so now I'm just going to clean up the edges here with my rag. And I'm going to make the little beginnings of a turtleneck, okay? So I'm going to take my little triangle here, which is going to be like represent the shirt. And I'm going to take this little top part here, which is going to be the turtleneck part of the sweater. Pull it down just a little bit, just a hair, so we can leave some space for this guy. For this guy right here. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a really bright red fondant. I'm going to mix it by hand and show you kind of how I do that. This way you guys can kind of do the same thing if you're venturing out to make your own. So guys, let me tell you what, it is so awesome that you can take just flour and sugar and create so many incredible things. Like, you would never think. I have seen some cakes, you guys, and they are pretty incredible. And it just comes from just your imagination and just flour, sugar, butter. It's just so incredible. So, I've got a pretty good red here. And of course my hands get all red. You can use gloves when you're dealing with fondant, but many times I find it's kind of challenging to use gloves when you're touching fondant because it gets stuck to your gloves and it's just a little bit of a hassle. So just make sure your hands are nice and clean and just go after it. So that's what I'm doing here with this guy. And this is just basically going to be the center. This is like the middle of the sweater. So what I'm going to do here, I have my buttons. I'm just moving those over to the side. I am going to use this tool here, and I'm going to make it flat, and then I am going to use my knife and just make some cuts here, okay? I use a little paring knife, and I'm just going to make some cuts to make it nice and flat, and nice lines that are nice and straight, okay? So this is really good because you're able to make the seams of the sweater, okay? Another trick that you can do is take your knife and just kind of cut along the seams like this. Just kind of give it an imprint to kind of look like a sweater. So that's what I'm going to do here. Just going to go across and just add these little indentations to kind of make it look like some nice seams here, okay? Alright, so now I'm going to take this guy here and just kind of stretch him and run him all the way down the front of the sweater. And here on the side too, we're just going to kind of put it there, put one here, and just cut this little piece off. Okay, and the same thing over here too. Just gonna kind of take it and press it there. It's coming together, you guys. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're going to add our little buttons. One there, another one there, and we're gonna probably use a little bit of this red buttercream just to kind of make sure that we kind of keep them in place. We want them to look, we want it to look as realistic as possible. So I'm just using this like a little bit of glue. You use buttercream sometimes. So that's what I'm doing here. All along the front. Okay. Okay, and now this is the really fun part, okay? So now we are going to make all the fun things that make the sweater ugly, okay? So I'm going to take a little bit of some buttercream, and I'm going to use some yellow food coloring. And yellow is going to kind of be my outline here for the different sections of the ugly sweater, okay? So guys, just a few drops there. Mix it together by hand. And you're going to see a nice, vibrant, bright yellow color. And you're just going to use a few lines, just like this. Space it out there. You can make it squiggly, you can make it straight, however you want to do it. The front one, I'm going to have a little bit of squiggle on it. The next one's going to be straight. And even down here in the front of the sweater too, we just got some lines happening because we're making different sections for our sweater, which is just so fun. That's what makes it so cute, because you have so many different designs that's supposed to all together make it look really tacky. So I think that's super fun. And I'm going to put another line over here, another line over here, just kind of making some outlines so we can make different designs here, okay? All right. So here, what we're going to do is put some lovely little Christmas trees up here right by the top of the sweater. Isn't that adorable? These are just little sugar pieces I'm putting on top of there. And I want to do the snowmen and the adorable little gingerbread characters. I'm putting them right here next to each other. So fun. Guys, you could totally do this. Oops, that little snowman lost an eyeball. But you can always add some buttercream and put it together there. And there's a cute little gingerbread man right next to him. And I think at the bottom we'll put a nice big Santa there. And I want to put some cute little ornaments down here right below the Santa, so you can see it at the front of the cake there, and some cute little reindeer as well right underneath the ornaments. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this cake coming together. It really looks like one of those ugly little sweaters. So now what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to add just some little extras to just kind of decorate the cake a little bit. I have this super awesome sprinkle kit that my sweet friend Noah gifted me. I love it. It's so, so adorable. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some little gold balls right around Santa. So cute. Oh my gosh. And you can be so sporadic with it, just wherever you think is cute. I think for every big sugar piece you have, you should have like different, it'd be really cute if you have like different sprinkles to kind of accent each one. So down here, I'm probably going to add just some different color lights for the ornaments. It's so fun, guys. It's just like awesome. It's the season. It's the season to bake and cake decorate, right? Okay. So we're just about done there, and towards the bottom here, I'm going to add some little snowflakes by the reindeer. I love snowflakes because they're so pretty and they bring so much like dimension to this cake, I think. Just something different. It's not just red and green. It also has that pretty blue and pretty white. Okay. Here we are. Oh my gosh. And for the very last one, you guys, I have a different kind of Christmas tree. But I thought if we could put few Christmas trees on the bottom. This cake is gonna all come together so wonderfully. I am super excited, you guys. This is adorable. Check that out. Oh my gosh. Everybody who you show this to is gonna love it. And I know if you are able to just do what I did here and bring it to a party, you're gonna have an awesome, awesome time with everybody celebrating our Lord Jesus, who is the real reason for this season, okay? Let us never, ever forget that. Guys, I am so excited. Here it is. It's all the way done. Listen, you want to win this cake, all you have to do is like and share this video and you'll be in the drawing to win this cake. And if you're out of town, I will send you some cookies because I know there are a lot of you guys who are not even local and I still want you to get in on the giveaway. So yes, I love you guys so much. I'll announce the winner tomorrow evening. Have an amazing day. God bless you.